Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ambient temperature sensor in this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, and zip ties. Before you begin, be sure to turn the unit off and disconnect the power supply. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the control panel. Detach the control panel. Now unthread the lower right screw securing the junction box cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the junction box itself. Pull back the cover to fully detach the junction box from the power cord. Disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the 6 screws securing the control box's side access cover. Remove the cover. Unthread the 4 screws to release the left access cover. Now unthread the 5 screws securing the middle access cover. If applicable, disconnect the wall thermostat wire connector and the energy management wire connector. Disconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors from the main control board for better access to the board. Release the lock securing the ambient temperature sensor wire connector to the main control board. Then disconnect the wire connector. Use the wire cutters to cut the 3 zip ties, bundling the wires together. You can now detach the sensor from the mounting brackets and pull the old component free. To install the new ambient temperature sensor, feed the wire connector through the wire access hole in the side of the control box. And connect it to the main control board. Use the wire connector lock to secure the connector. Feed the sensor through the right mounting bracket and snap it into place in the middle bracket. Use new zip ties to bundle the wires together. Reconnect the relay board and transformer wire connectors to the main control board. Then realign the middle access cover and thread the 5 screws. Reconnect the wall thermostat and energy management wire connectors, if applicable. Reposition the left access cover and rethread the screws. Realign the side access cover and thread the screws to secure. Reconnect the power cord wire connector. Then reposition the junction box and rethread the screws. Rethread the lower right screw to fully secure the cover. Realign the control panel and thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Restore power to the unit, and the ETAC heat pump system should be ready for use.